EnviroRAP is a lower cost alternative to other sustainable barriers that are on the market today.
EnviroRAP is something that can be repulped back into the process and reused. The sheet itself is also 100% recyclable and recycled.
So what we have here, this is probably the most sustainable option. It's probably the lowest cost option, but it's not very effective. It does not have any barrier on it whatsoever. Here we have is probably what's more considered the industry standard. It's a poly-coated option, very effective. Cost is pretty good, but it's not sustainable at all. It can't be recycled, repulped. This will be in the landfill forever.
So many companies have developed their sustainable option to the poly coating. It is as effective, it is sustainable, however, it is not financially viable. It is 2 to 3 times the cost of poly. It makes it very difficult for a company who may want to go sustainable, but they cannot continue to do business, with that option. So Greif has developed EnviroRAP, which is a product that meets the quality performance of poly. It is sustainable, and it also is as cost effective as poly, so it allows companies to meet their sustainability and their financial goals.
This product gets us one step closer to the full circular economy. The end users, customers can take this product, put it in a recycling bin, and it can come fully back to our mills to be repulped, recycled, turned into other products.
And you can see the difference between just what an uncoated product does to what our coated product does. This matches what a poly product does, so it has the same characteristics that a poly-coated product does, other than it is more sustainable.
Yeah, it also has, in addition to the oil barrier, the grease barrier, it also is a water barrier as well. So any foods that are, very liquid, that are not greased, will also not leak through, not transfer into your lap or to your hands. Much cleaner, and again, it can all be recycled and repulped.
While it is before us in boats, this also can be used in really any folding carton operation. So restaurant take-home boxes, replacing your styrofoam or plastic containers, as well as your poly-coated containers there.
So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing some EnviroRAP, please reach out to our sales team and we'd be very happy to help you.